In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Shopee. If you're getting more pings and emails than you'd like, this quick walkthrough will help you take control. We'll use the Shopee website on a desktop browser, and we'll keep things simple so you can adjust only what you need without missing anything important. Start by heading to the official Shopee website and log into your account. Make sure you're on the genuine site and sign in securely. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile or username there. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, choose My Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where all your personal settings live. Here, look for notification settings and open it. This page is your control center for how Shopee contacts you. You'll see several categories, typically including push notifications, email notifications, order updates, chats or messages, and promotions or Shopee deals. Each category controls a different kind of alert. Push notifications usually refer to pop-ups or alerts tied to your browser or device when you're signed in. Email notifications are messages sent to your inbox. Order updates cover things like payment confirmations, shipping progress, and delivery notices. Chats or messages relate to communications from sellers or customer service. Promotions and Shopee deals cover discounts, vouchers, and marketing messages. Go through these categories one by one. If there's a toggle next to a category you don't want, switch it off. For example, if you're tired of marketing messages, turn off promotions or Shopee deals. If you prefer not to receive alerts while you're browsing, disable push notifications. Be thoughtful with order updates. Many shoppers prefer to keep those on so they don't miss shipment or delivery changes. If you don't need seller messages unless you're actively buying, you can adjust chats or messages to reduce noise. Take a moment to scan the page from top to bottom so you don't miss any sub-options within each category. The goal is to keep what's helpful and mute what isn't, so your experience stays clean and interruption-free. When you're done, the changes you make here will guide how Shopee contacts you going forward. If you ever change your mind, just return to My Account, open notification settings, and turn a category back on. That's all it takes to create a quieter, more focused shopping experience on Shopee while still keeping the updates that matter.